Peach cobbler, you can't go wrong. Hey everyone, my name is Susan, and this is Susan Southern Cooking. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're staying safe. Today I'm making peach cobbler, and it has been a family favorite forever. I hope you'll enjoy this video. I hope you'll subscribe and like it and ring that little bell. Let's get started. You'll want to sift 1½ cups of self-rising flour. And I'm using 2 cans of peaches, regular size. You can use one, you can use a big one, you can use frozen. When I use the canned peaches, I save the juice. And when it calls for water, I use the juice and add enough water to equal the amount I need. You can use blackberries, raspberries, blueberries, apples. This cobbler, you can use whatever fruit you want to use. You can even use fresh fruit. You'll have a 1/2 cup of butter, up to 2 cups of sugar, 1/2 cup of shortening, 2 cups of water or enough juice and water to get your 2 cups, one and a half cups of self-rising flour, a 1/2 cup of whole milk, your peaches, or whatever fruit you choose, cinnamon to taste. You'll put your butter into the oven and let it melt. Your oven should be at 350 degrees. You'll add your sugar to your boiler. And since I'm using the juice from the peaches, I won't put as much sugar because the juice is sweet. So I put, I think, less than 1.5 cups. But if you were using like frozen peaches, you'd use the whole 2 cups of sugar. And then you add your water and juice. You'll want to cook this mixture until the sugar dissolves. It won't take long. While keeping an eye on the sugar mixture as the sugar dissolves, I'll start making my dough. I'll cut a 1/2 cup of shortening into the 1½ cups of self-rising flour. The sugar is almost dissolved. And then cut your heat off and remove it from the heat. Add your 1/2 cup of whole milk to your flour and shortening. And just fold over and mix well. Flour your board really well. You'll want to roll your dough into a rectangle. Knead your dough just a little bit before rolling it. Oh, I wished I could work this fast. You'll cover your dough with peaches. Spread them all out. And you want to sprinkle the top with cinnamon. If you like cloves or nutmeg, you can add that, but we just like the cinnamon. Now you will try to roll your dough into like a jelly roll shape, but it'll be hard and it'll be messy, but it won't matter. And after I get it into my semi-log looking shape, I'll cut it into about cinnamon roll size pieces. After my butter's melted, I'll add my peaches and dough to the butter. As I said before, it's going to be messy, but it won't matter. It'll be good. Just do the best you can. Be sure to get any leftover dough. Just find a spot that looks like it needs it. Same with the peaches. You'll have extra peaches laying on your board, and just pick them up and spread them around till your bowl is full. Now you'll gently pour your sugar and water around your dough and peaches. It'll look like it's too much liquid, but it's not. It'll absorb. It may not look like much now, but just you wait. Depending on how fast your oven cooks, it'll take about 55 to 60 minutes, but mine only took about 45. I bet you didn't think it would look this good. Bring on the vanilla ice cream. I'm ready to dig in. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I was able to teach you how to make peach cobbler. And I hope that you'll subscribe and like this video and ring that little bell. Bye.